LampLight, a web series for kids.
Previously on LampLight.
God speaks to us. I have not been able to hear his voice. Aha! So the prophet Elijah was able to hear from God. Can't take it anymore. This is so hard.
Welcome to LampLight! I'm so glad you're here for part 3. I hope that you enjoy it, and I'm pretty sure that you will. Let's jump right in because we've got an awesome craft ready to go. Let's take a look.
Hi kids. Have you ever tried to get the attention of everybody in the room before? It can be hard to get that many people to hear you. One time, Jesus had to get 5,000 people to hear him. That's a lot of people. Jesus knew that if he went to teach on a boat, across some still water, or on a mountainside, that would help his voice to carry to all the people. And on a smaller scale today, we're gonna make our own little amplifiers to help our devices' sounds carry across the room. And they're really fun to make, and they don't take any extra electricity to make the sound any louder. So I wanna make another one, but I really wish I had someone to help me. Oh, what? How did you? Oh,
Where am I?
perfect, Nathan.
What are these?
These are amplifiers.
They look so cool.
Thank you. Would you like to help me make one?
Sure.
Awesome. All right, well, there's a few things we need to get started. We need a template, scissors, and some glue. It also helps to have some paint and some decorations. You can go to faithville.com if you would like a pre-made template, or you can just make one from this kind of shape here. Should we get started?
Okay.
All right, so I have my template here. Now, Nathan, if you wanna cut that out for me. Very nice, thank you. So I am going to fold along all the inside line of this so that we can start to shape it. Nathan, why don't you think about what color you might want to make your amplifier?
I think I'm gonna make it green.
Awesome, green's always good. Now that I've started to fold it, I'm going to start to glue it together. Now I'm gonna be using a hot glue gun. Kids, if you are using a hot glue gun, please make sure you have an adult help you. All right, so we have it all glued together now, and we're gonna start painting it. Okay, so we are just about done, and we decided to make a dragon here. We used some styrofoam balls for the eyes and the nostrils, and we've got some little teeth there. And the final piece de resistance, Nathan?
This is a fire tongue for the dragon. Couldn't be complete without it. And so we can just put it there, and we can use some hot glue or tape, and looks like a dragon.
Awesome, I love it. Should we test it out?
I think so.
Okay. Okay.
It works.
Yeah. And that is how you make a acoustic sound amplifier.
Oh, good. Haha, you're back. Yeah, that's good. I have just been sitting here practicing being still and silent. Yes, so I can hear the voice of God. And it's working. It's beginning to work. Well, not all the time, not perfectly. You see, I can't hear him whenever I want, but sometimes I am succeeding. Yes, let me tell you about some of my experimental methods. You see, I have discovered that it is easier for me to hear the voice of God if I do some of these simple things. For example, I listen to my music. Nice, peaceful music like this. No, not that. Turn that off. Yes, like this. This helps me stay calm and focused. Also, I discovered that if I write down what I'm thinking about, either to remind me of it later or else to talk to God about it, that also helps. And I can draw pictures too. Yes, very good. And there's one more thing that God uses to speak to me. I will show it to you. It is this, the Bible. I can read little parts of the Bible at a time to help me hear God's voice. Yes, it's working. It's really working. He is speaking to me. How about you? Are you good at being still and silent? Yes, it is very difficult. But practice. If Dr. Richter von Schmichter can do it, then so can you. Now, do you want to know some of the things that God said to me? Yeah, he said he loves me very much and that I was very special. He also told me that he loves you very much and that you are very special. Well, I must get back to my research. There's so much to learn and discover in this great planet that God created. So, that is all for now. Auf Wiedersehen!
Well, everyone, that's all we have for today, but we hope you'll join us next time for another exciting episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but also to go outside. See you next time. Bye!